Good morning, Your Honor. Joy Gaines, Senior Assistant Public Defender representing Maisha Gaines, who's approaching. Would you please state your name?
Maisha Gaines.
I'm presuming no relation.
No, you're not.
Okay, all right, go ahead.
Um, Your Honor, we have come to,
This work, it's amazing. Go ahead.
Your Honor, we have come to a resolution in this matter, but need some additional time to effectuate it. It's a global resolution with a case in the 14B District Court.
All right. So does she need to get there first or?
Yes, Your Honor. She's currently scheduled, I wanted to say, for June 30th for a pretrial there, but we are trying to get an earlier date for her there. The attorneys and paralegal over there working there.
All right, but you might get the 23rd if it's an early. Why don't I just do this? July 2nd, 2026, 9 a.m.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Bond continue. Thank you.
Your Honor, Peter Winter on behalf of, I'm standing in for Mr. Amadeo, Your Honor.
All right.
State your name for the record, please.
Xavier Bonner. What are we doing?
Your Honor, I'd like to ask that the PCC be set over to the 9th. I also understand there's a probation violation because he didn't get tested. I've talked to him.
Not only that he didn't get tested, he didn't even report. I wasn't aware.
I don't know that Mr. Amadeo was his attorney at that time, Your Honor. I have made sure that he's going to, his mother is here with him today, and I'd like to adjourn the violation over to the 9th. I've made very clear to him that he's got to report this morning.
When he was arraigned, he was told to go over.
Well, I was not present. I'm just indicating to the court that I've told him very emphatically his mother is here. He's going this morning.
Okay, is he saying he didn't know? Is that what he's representing to the court? Because he needs to be careful if that's what he's representing.
I don't understand.
Oh, I did.
Tell the judge.
I didn't understand. Prepare new orders. Is he working? What are you doing when you're out? I work at McDonald's.
Well,
How long have you worked there?
for like 5 months.
He lives with his mother and I believe his sister, Your Honor, and they're both here in the courtroom. His mother's here in the courtroom with him.
We'll prepare a new order for community corrections. You need to go over there before you leave this complex. You understand that?
Understand?
And so I want that order and an order for a GPS tracking location tether. And then I will adjourn this to July 9th, 2026, 9 a.m.
I'm sorry, I didn't hear when, Your Honor.
The 9th,
Thank you, Your Honor.
9 a.m. Bond continued with those added conditions.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Court calls case People versus Grant. Jay.
Morning, Your Honor, people. Morning, Your Honor, Michael Gaddy, Assistant Public Defender on behalf of the.
Your name?
Grant Matthew Duche.
What are we doing?
Your Honor, we'd like to set this matter for.
Like to do what?
Set this matter for exam, Judge.
Discovery is complete.
Yes, Judge.
Would people have their witnesses available the 30th?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, preliminary examination, June 30th, 2026, 9 AM before Judge Barr.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. You want your
Courthouse
case
case,
now,
people.
Bellinger? Courthouse case, people versus Nicholas Dragos.
We're gonna go on behalf of Mr. Draco.
Did you want to say anything or no? What were you gonna do?
I was waiting for your,
You can stare at that screen all day. That's not gonna happen.
I was waiting on your cue, Your Honor.
You were waiting on my cue?
Yeah, I thought,
What?
usually you say, what are we doing? But I didn't know if that was.
Oh, okay, all right. Okay, so you need a cue.
Well,
All right. We can.
I didn't want to interrupt you.
What are we doing?
We were gonna request an adjournment.
We're gonna be the same thing because your client's not here.
Right.
Yeah.
We were just gonna mention there's an intensive amount of discovery, but he's not here. So I guess my request for an adjournment might be irrelevant.
I will say,
You can make the request.
I will say, just
Nick, why are you trying to save him?
because he will save me in the past, Your Honor. Public Defendant Nick Bukovich on behalf of Mr. Dracos. I will say Ms. Gaines and I had a very intensive conversation with him yesterday about this matter. So I am confused about his failure to appear today. So I would ask the court to consider an adjournment. This is a case of a very intensive amount of discovery, over 954 pieces of media on Axon to review. So I would ask the court.
You're requesting an adjournment?
Yes.
He said it was irrelevant.
My mistake, Your Honor.
I would be, for the record, I would be requesting an adjournment.
Really wouldn't matter. I'm gonna issue a bench warrant. People's requested bench warrant, bond 10,000 cash surety. Warrant will issue immediately.
Thank you,
Okay.
Your Honor.
I'll remember next time. Give him the cue.
Over to the people, Your Honor.
That he's in.
Julie Gaines, Senior Assistant Public Defender representing Mr. Robinson. Yeah.
Okay. Sir, can you state your name, please?
Bruce Robinson.
All right.
Yeah, Mr. Robinson is in custody in Illinois, I believe. I was
Sebago County. Yep.
able to schedule an appointment to meet with him on June 23rd. I'd asked for a TCC date after that day.
Okay. But we're gonna need at least 2 weeks. How? All right. You've got an appointment with him on the 23rd.
That's correct, sir.
All right, so what I'll do so that we can have enough time for a writ, if they'll honor it, is probable cause conference will be adjourned then to July 9th, 2026, 9 AM.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Bond, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir.
I'll see you by Zoom on 23rd, sir.
Court calls case people versus. Court calls case of the people versus Aaron Davis.
Haley Zinn on behalf of the people, Your
Oh,
Honor.
yeah. Assistant Public Defender Zach Vinny on behalf of Mr. Davis, present via Zoom. Sir, can you please state your name for the record?
Wow. Okay, that's it.
Aaron Michael Davis.
Oh, there we go. Okay, thank you, sir.
Your Honor, we would set to examine this matter.
You need an exam.
Yes.
And he is located where?
It's the new path in Flint, I believe, Your Honor.
Retreat.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. I'll set it for exam. Is he going to be permitted to lead treatment?
Oh, well, I had a discussion with him yesterday or yesterday, the day before, and I believe he stated that he would be able to be transported here for the exam.
Okay. Is that correct, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Do you know about how much time they might need to try to make that happen?
2 weeks, Your Honor.
So they can't do it in 12 days. I can
12
either
days.
do it in 12 days or 19 days.
12 days. The guy's with me. My care coordinator is with me right now as we speak. He said 12 days is fine, Your Honor.
Okay, so we can do the 30th?
Yes, sir.
All right. Then, and discovery is complete?
To our knowledge.
people have their witnesses available the 30th? All right. Preliminary examination will be set for June 30th, 2026, 9 a.m. That's before Judge Washington.
Thank you. God bless him.
Take care.
Yeah,
Thank you, Your Honor.
Court does call the case of the people versus Maurice Robinson. Court calls the cases of the people versus Taiwan Griggs.
That's fellas for people.
Who's this?
I still correct on 2024 case.
Corrected.
Joy Gaines, Assistant Public Defender representing Mr. Griggs. What you got going on?
Okay.
Stephanie Cannon on behalf of Mr. Griggs, Your Honor. Thank you, Joy. Your Honor, we are asking for did Mr. Griggs already say his name?
Mr. Griggs, apologize.
Thank you. We are asking that the 2025 case be adjourned because additional discovery has been requested. We're asking that the 2024 matter be set for preliminary exam.
However, I don't have a problem doing that. However, I don't have questioned, I believe, twice, not three times, the corrected order on the 24 case.
And my apologies, Your Honor, because I thought I had given that to the court. If I have not, I will resend it.
I don't know if
You correct what I received. It's one that was incorrect twice, and then I received one for the wrong case.
Your Honor, I will revise them and resend them again. I thought Ann and I thought I had fixed them, so it'll
that didn't
address.
well, did
Not work out well, but
well,
I will try again.
I'm not going to keep waiting on this order. I'm going to ask the jail if we can take him back
And we'll do it.
in order. Then I'll bring it out. I'll be able to sign the order. Then everything will be in place since we've asked for it numerous times.
No. We fix back, we'll ask them.
Thank you.
We're coming right back. We're coming right back.
People, Your Honor.
Assistant Public Defender Daffy Lebo for Mr. Keener. Mr. Keener, can you state your name, sir?
Daniel Keener. Thank you.
And Your Honor, we just received some additional discovery on this matter towards the end of the day yesterday. I'd be asking for a brief adjournment to review that and also would like to address bond.
PC will be adjourned July 2nd, 2026, 9 a.m. As to bond.
Thank you, Your Honor. With regard to bond, I did have a chance to review the calls, and it is my understanding that the calls do relate solely to Mr. Keener getting his property back and having his brother pick up that property. He understands now the proper way to do that was to call the police, ask the police to arrive there first, and only obtain his property with the police present for a civil standby. He now understands this. He knows the seriousness, no contact order. He knows it violates the court to reinstate his previous bond.
Respond.
Your Honor, I leave this in the discretion part. I do want to know that I understand the calls, but I also would like to know that the defendant was not very honest with the court about what those contents of those calls were. And then one of those or two of those calls were one was completed to the victim, her number, after he was told not to have contact with her. While it was a short call, I do have concerns that he called her after he was told not to call, and then also called someone else to get in contact with the victim, identifying her by name. So I do have concerns, and I know he was remanded last week by the court. If he is to be released, I would ask him to be on home confinement, because given his bond violations in custody, I would have concern about bond violation out of custody. But I'm going to
Tell you no contact. Right? And I don't know, and I'm unclear that his reasoning for why he says he's contacting, I don't buy it. I mean, I think it's clear. Motion for bond reduction is denied. Bond will continue.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Court calls case people versus Lance Ford.
Joy Gaines, Senior Assistant Public Defender representing Mr. Ford. Would you please state your name for the record?
Lance Ford. Thank you.
Your Honor, we are continuing negotiations for this matter and would ask for an adjournment.
Without objection, July 9th, 2026, 9 a.m.
Thank you.
Thank you. Court calls case versus Crystal Lewis.
Assistant Public Defender Zach Viney with on behalf of Ms. Lewis, who approaches.